In 2003, Hall County government purchased the mill and 4 acres of surrounding land using grant funding from the Trust for Public Land. After a number of years, the county, along with a group of interested citizens known as Friends of Harlan's Heads Mill, begun the process to ensure the mill's building and its 28-foot diameter metal water wheel were restored and ultimately reopening as a center of a significant destination in Northeast Georgia. This is the story of that journey. Approximately 170 years ago, William Head built his mill off of Whitehall Road in eastern Hall County, Georgia, one of the largest mills in northern Georgia. It changed hands over the years, but its large 28-foot water wheel continued to serve as a source of power for the surrounding community, grinding wheat and corn and turning timber into boards. Once electricity made its way into the area toward the end of World War II, the need for the mill and its great source of water wheel power diminished as it fell into grave disrepair. Until, that is, Fred and Bernice Healan bought the mill in the 1960s and set about bringing the historic structure back to life as an antique store. Unfortunately, in recent years, the old mill plummeted back into a dilapidated state.
Which one you on, Matt?
One over there with you.
Yeah. Right here?
Yeah. I got it. Got it? Yeah.
That out, turn that up a little bit.
I don't have no money, but I damn sure got it made. 99